I literally can't keep up with this, is what I keep hearing about this viral project. And I've searched around locally, and there's none to be found. So today I'm gonna show you how to build one, and we're gonna find out if it's a real bestseller or like my grandma's famous pie, a comforting little lie out of a supermarket box. This project promises to be easy, and it is. All you need is a saw and a drill. You can use a circular saw, a hand saw, a miter saw, or even a barbecue spatula with a little pokey edge on it. Your wood is served. Oh, and you're gonna need a sander. For material, all you need is 30 inches of 1x4 and 30 inches of 1x6. You can also add a dowel for a railing to make it a little bit more fancy. Now here's a tip to fix wood that I know you guys have never heard before. So if you have a bowed board like this one, you want to place it down flat on a surface. And then you're going to want to just massage into it like so. Now check that out. This board is straight as an arrow. These can get pretty complicated. For me, I'm going to be keeping mine pretty simple though. Now I said you need a 1x4 and a 1x6. I only have a 1x6, so I'm just going to turn some of these into 1x4 pieces of material. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull in 30 inches. We're gonna cut that out, and then we're gonna cut out the two pieces that are going to be 1x4. And for my stove, they're gonna be 13 inches long for each of them. And just like that, we have our pieces cut. That took about a minute. I also mentioned an optional dowel that you can add to this. So I'm going to measure out my dowel. Now I need it to be about a 1/2 inch longer than this piece. So that'll be 30.5 inches. So after cutting the dowel, I decided I would cut out a portion of my side so that the stand can sit flush against the wall. If you guys can do me a huge favor and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of June, and we are almost halfway there. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, I have lots of other videos just like this one, and many more to come. You won't regret it, and the like button will help a lot too. Thank you so very much. And moving on, I need to mark a couple lines before pre-drilling some holes. My lines are at 10 5/8 of an inch. Okay, so we got our holes pre-drilled, and now we're going to be marking out our dowels. I'm measuring in 1/2 inch on each side, and now we get to do a couple little hole punches. Now what I just did was completely optional. I just gave it a smooth round over using my belt sander. I just think it's gonna look a little bit nicer, but again, that's optional. A lot of these are just square. So if you have a sander, this is gonna be much easier. Now I've been ready for this part. We're gonna put this thing together like some beans and cornbread. There we go. Keep my fingers in there. I rate all of my projects I make on a set of metrics, and this project gets 4.5 stars. All right, so we are done making this project. Easily be a 15-minute project if you were just making them less than 15 minutes. We're gonna find out if it sells. I'm gonna post it online after I take some pictures of it in my own house, and we're gonna find out what happens in a few days.
2,000 years later.
Well, I see lots of clicks, but I see no messages.
And if there's nothing else, I will see you in the next one.